Look at this 2021 Mustang Mach-E that was just traded here at Brighton Ford. Panoramic glass roof, heated steering wheel, navigation, and more. Great for all seasons with 211 miles of all-electric range and intelligent all-wheel drive. Well maintained and fully inspected by our factory-trained technicians. This vehicle will not last long. Call us at 1-800-NEW-FORD today. CARFAX One Owner. Infinite Blue Metallic Tinted Clearcoat 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E Premium AWD Single-Speed Automatic Electric ZEV 266 HP Brighton Ford used cars are priced well below the market value. Have confidence in knowing you're getting the best deal within 200 miles of our location. Our vehicles are competitively priced well below the market value to give you a no-haggle buying experience. Although we do not certify our used cars, we do have the ability to do so. Brighton Ford is conveniently located off of Grand River Road in Brighton, Michigan. Brighton Ford is near the intersection of I-96 and US 23 in Brighton, Michigan. We have the largest selection of used trucks, used cars and used SUVs with over 200 pre-owned vehicles in stock. Brighton Ford serves all nearby cities including South Lyon, Howell, Fenton, New Hudson, Novi, Arbor, Whitmore Lake, Lansing, Detroit, Toledo, and Flint.